Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're told that Albert needs to type a long pre-written document. The table above shows information about the document, Albert's typing speed, and the number of hours he's supposed to devote to typing the document each day. We're asked if Albert types at the rates provided in the table, which of the following is closest to the number of days that Albert would expect to take in order to type the entire document each day. So, we are told that Albert types 85 words per minute. If we are given that information, and we know that there's 60 minutes in an hour, we can multiply this rate by 60 minutes divided by 1 hour, and that'll give us our words per hour, which is 85 times 60 divided by 1, but who cares about that, which is 5,100 words in an hour. So there's 181,235 words in the document. So if we have 5,000 words per hour, we have to divide 181,235 by the number of words you can do in an hour, and that'll give us the number of hours you can work on this. And if you do this out, put that in your calculator, you'll get that he's roughly, will take him 35.5 hours. We're asked how many days will it take him? Well, 35 hours is about a day and a half. However, we're told he's only going to be working 4 hours a day. So 35.5 hours divided by 4 hours per day is going to give us roughly 8.88 days. So which of the following is closest to this number? 9A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.